In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can disable as well as enable PvP here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now what you need to do is get loaded into the game, and once you're in the game, go over to settings up at the top left section, select the little settings gear, and once you're here, you need to scroll down until you find the gameplay section. So keep scrolling down, you're going to see a bunch of different tabs. Look for that gameplay section. It's going to look something like this. You're going to see an option on here for disable PvP. Go ahead and tick that on if you want to turn off PvP, meaning player versus player. And then, of course, if you do want PvP on, go ahead and just tick this off. Again, just keep in mind you do have to wait about 10 seconds to turn it off. Now, if it doesn't do any changes right away, just back out and then back into the game, and you should be good to go. But that is the full process. That's how you can both disable and enable PvP here in Sailor Peace on Roblox. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.